Morning, John. Ready for the early shift?
Yeah, grab coffee on the way.
You?
The vortex seems stable at 80 RPM.
Okay. Let's increase the flow rate on tank 3.
Jason Sordal, we are stepping inside the facility. The workflow is already active. People and machines move together.
The flow rate is optimized.
Acknowledged. Data logged.
Pressure looks stable at the 2 bar.
Confirmed on the readout here. Proceed with the sampling.
These formers shape the product. They move continuously. Spacing remains uniform. No former stops. Movement defines accuracy. Production accelerates.
Now dipping begins. Formers enter the latex. Coating happens evenly. Speed controls thickness.
The drip rate looks consistent now.
Yes, the viscosity is perfect on this batch.
Drying starts immediately. Warm air moves constantly. Conveyors set the pace. Latex begins to
Units. A second layer is added. Strength increases gradually. Formers stay aligned. Motion never breaks. Heat treatment begins. Elasticity develops inside. Conveyors never stop. Temperature stays stable. Chemical bonds strengthen. Performance is created. Removal begins here. Machines strip gently. Products release smoothly. Motion stays synchronized. No damage occurs. Efficiency remains high.
Washing removes residues. Water flows continuously. Drums rotate steadily. Products move freely. Cleanliness is ensured. Preparation continues.
Moisture removal begins. Centrifuges spin fast. Water separates instantly. Balance is maintained. Motion stays controlled. Drying follows. Final drying completes form. Warm air circulates evenly. Products travel steadily. No interruption occurs. Texture stabilizes. Testing approaches. Each unit is tested. Air pressure checks strength. Machines work rapidly. Defects are detected. Failed units are removed. Standards stay strict. Leak testing happens here. Products submerge briefly. Sensors monitor bubbles. Good units pass forward. Motion stays smooth. Accuracy matters. Lubrication is applied. Drums rotate constantly. Liquid spreads evenly. Excess drains away. Workers observe flow. Comfort is prepared.
Lubricant settles evenly. Greasing will remain lined naturally.
Rolling begins automatically. Machines fold precisely. Speed remains constant. No human touch.
Packaging materials move in. Sealing happens instantly. Heat bonds the foil. Each unit seals separately.
Check the hermetic seal on this one.
Looks good. No microfractures detected on the display.
History. Units are counters track movement. Groups form actively. No miscounts occur.
Cartons seal automatically. Belts remain aligned. Motion stays smooth. Packages stabilize. Timing remains perfect. Shipping is next.
Robots stack cartons. Movements are precise. Stacks form evenly. No collisions occur. Forklifts move pallets. Female drivers coordinate paths. Traffic flows smoothly.
Keep coming straight.
Okay, slow it down right there.
Perfect, hold it.
Containers are sealed. The workflow concludes. Every step stayed connected. Humans guided machines. Motion defined efficiency. The process is complete.
We reach the shipping area. Containers stand ready. Movement increases here. Everything stays organized. Dipping happens again. Latex coats evenly. Speed controls thickness. Gravity shapes the layer. Workers supervise closely. Consistency is maintained.
Heat treatment strengthens material. Elasticity develops fully. Conveyors never stop. Temperature stays controlled. Chemical bonds lock in.
Removal begins again. Machines strip gently, products release smoothly. No damage occurs. The airflow seems consistent across all three phases. We are maintaining the target temperature.
Confirmed. The components are cooling as expected.
Washing removes residues. Water flows constantly. Drums rotate in rhythm. Products move freely. Cleanliness is ensured. Preparation continues.
Excess moisture is removed. Centrifuges spin rapidly. Water separates instantly. Balance remains steady.
Final drying completes form. Warm air circulates evenly. Products move continuously. No interruptions occur.
Every unit is tested. Air pressure checks strength. Machines work at high speed. Defects are detected instantly. Leak testing confirms integrity. Products submerge briefly. Sensors detect bubbles. Good units move forward.
Lubricant settles evenly. Movement remains gentle. Spacing stays uniform. Products align naturally. Timing stays controlled. Rolling begins. Rolling begins automatically. Machines fold precisely. Speed remains constant. No human touch occurred. Packaging materials move in. Foil feeds continuously. Sealing machines stay synchronized. Heat bonds the layers. Motions shot. Units are counted automatically. Sensors track movement. Groups form accurately. No miscounts occur. Speed stays steady. Cartoning begins. Cartons seal automatically. Belts remain aligned. Motion stays smooth. Packages stabilize. Timing stays exact. Stacking begins.
Robots stack cartons. Movements are precise. Stacks form evenly. No collisions occur. Speed remains constant. Space is optimized.
Forklifts move pallets. Drivers coordinate paths. Traffic flows smoothly. Safety is maintained. Timing stays exact. Shipping approaches.
We reach the shipping dock. Containers stand ready. Movement increases here. Everything stays organized. No delays occur. Loading begins.
Keep coming, nice and slow. Watch your alignment. All right, hold it right there. Loading happens continuously. Pallets slide inside. Alignment stays perfect. Workers supervise carefully. Hold it right there. Okay, easy now.
Clear on this side.
Trucks depart smoothly. Routes are pre-planned. Cargo moves outward. Distribution begins globally.
See this specification here on the tablet.
Yes, the arm movement needs adjustment to match the alignment.
Reroute auxiliary power to sector gamma. We have an anomaly spike.
Acknowledged. Rerouting now.
Movement materials enter again. Belts pull them forward. Speed remains constant. Alignment stays perfect. Production never rests.
All systems are green across the board. The pipeline pressure normalized an hour ago.
Good. I see the handover report here. We'll maintain the current parameters.
Latex flows once more.
Mixing resumes instantly. Paddles rotate steadily. Measurements stay exact.
Formers continue their path. Chains guide movement. Spacing never changes. Precision stays constant. Motion defines output. Efficiency remains high.